I'm in the Dollar Tree. First thing you see, flowers and vegetables are 4 for $1. Peppers, beets, garden beans, bachelor buttons, asters, Louisians, African babies, every kind of flower you can think of. Forget-me-nots, flower garden mix, marigold, all the stuff you need to attract the pollinators. Got spinach, carrots, oregano, parsley, radishes, thyme, sage, cucumber, zucchini, you name it, they got it, 4 for $1. In addition, in the dollar store, they also have plenty of gloves, also for $1. So if you want gloves, they're here at the dollar store. If you want garden flags to put in your garden, they're here also. There's some of the plastic flowers, not really my cup of tea, but some people might like them. Now you have every kind of flower pot you can imagine here, put in your garden. Any kind you can possibly think of. The best thing, they're all $1. But I discovered that they don't have any holes drilled in the bottom of them. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to drill your own holes, which is not a major problem. But if you want flowers, pots, this is the best place to go and get them for cheap. Need potting soil. We got 8-pound bags of potting soil also. Seed starter. They got seed starter also at the dollar store. Further on down here, they got the metal flag poles. I intend to buy some of those to put some hummingbird feeders on. And if you're looking for hummingbird feeders, they have hummingbird feeders for $1 also. In addition to hummingbird feeders, they got a hummingbird nectar, which is used to feed the hummingbirds with. Plant hangers are here. You need a thermometer for the garden. You got that. You need little bitty trellises. You have that. You want to decorate your garden with different things. Those are here also in the dollar store. The little gnome for the gnome gardens. Little stones, which are actual stones. Wires to tie your plants with. Plant labels. House spikes, they're all here. So, you want to save some money on garden supplies, this is the place to be. Thank you.